Good morning, Toastmaster of the day, fellow Toastmasters, and my dear friends. Now I am here to tell the story of my life. I am Rashini. I am doing my masters in IT, in IIIT. As a child, I was very mischievous and calm going. Even though I was not at all interested in going to school. So I used to run away when it was school time. So my uncle used to have basically I came from a joint family. So my uncle used to drop me at school. So he has very tough time dropping me at school and I used to cry a lot. And coming to my family, my father is a businessman and my mom is a homemaker. And I have an younger brother who is doing his graduation. As a child, I used to not study well, sticks and frying pans. And finally, I got an admit in a boarding school in my 6th grade. There, I have learned a lot of things. Initially, I was very nervous, but later on, I could cope up and perform better. Coming to my intermediate, I would like to share an incident in my 8th class. This was the first lesson I have learned in my life. It was in study hours. We had an exam, so I was preparing for my exam, and I was sitting on the desk facing through the wall, and my friend was sitting in front of me on the bench. So I started cribbing about the exam and why do we have all these exams and all that. My friend was trying to tell me something, but I couldn't ignore. I ignored her, and to my utter surprise, it was my HM standing behind me with a long stick in his hand. It was the first lesson. What I learned is that don't be be conscious in your premises and don't speak anything without looking at the back. No matter what, I got trashed on that day. And later on, I joined Sri Chaitanya College, as everyone does, in my intermediate, and there I was preparing for engineering exams, all kind of engineering exams. I wrote everything, like about 10 exams, and then it was my time. I was waiting for my results, and then I got admission in Bangalore in Visvesvaraya University, and I thought of going to Bangalore and packed all my bags. And we have another choice called second counseling in MCET. So, chancing my fate, I have applied for top universities which I couldn't get in that. To my utter surprise, I got into one of the good colleges, that is GNIX. It was a fantastic college. As it was a women's college, every parent have this unconditional love for girls' colleges. So, I joined the women's college, and it was a very good college with lot of greenery around, and it was my first time I had seen so many girls at one place. Wherever I looked, wherever I went, and wherever I have seen, it was women and more women. So it was a fantastic college and I had a good memories there, and it was in my 3rd year of my graduation. We went on a trip with our friends, with our classmates, and then there comes the scary part. We went on a river rafting. We took a boat along with my friends and with one of the faculty members. We were rowing the boat. The man who was rowing the boat was so obsessed with his things, and he could not pay attention to what was happening around him. As it was a full tides, at full moon day, the tides were very high and we were almost drenched in water. But in the course of the time, he lost one of the oars, and everyone started panicking. Everyone praying to God and shouting for help. But what happened was, as I was sitting in the corner of the boat, I had a choice to make there. With my all courage, I tried to grab the oar, and finally it was a happy ending. This was one of the memory I had in my BTech days. Right now, I am doing my post-graduation in IIIT. It is a wonderful thing, and being a part of STM family, I'm very happy to be a part of STM family. It is like home away from home. I have learned lot of new things here. I have gained lot of confidence. I have used it, and this confidence made me move forward. Thank you for making me a part of STM family. Thank you.